There, got another ride planned. This one will be probably about 700 k's. Sort of heading up towards Comboyne, Tom's Creek Road. Yeah, over the Ellenborough Falls, across Tapin Tops National Park, and down to Wingham, and then down through some of the back roads down to Ellenborough, I think. That should be a bit of fun. A fair bit of stuff I haven't seen before ever, so we'll see how that goes. So this road's Pipe Clay Road, sort of runs parallel, I guess, to the Oxley Highway out from Wauchope, and takes you out to Kindee Suspension Bridge, which is pretty cool. We'll run over that. Better be open. Last time I went through it was closed, but the workmen let us through, which is good. Got a good looking country out here. I hope it's showing up how green it is, because it's bloody vivid. Our road down there winds its way around. Yeah, it's so green, but we've had hundreds of mil rain the last month or so. So sort of most of the way around Kindee Range now. So you got one sort of mountain in amongst the farmland, then back out onto the farmland. Oh, something coming up the hill. Push bike. So that would be torture. Hey, damn, that's a pretty good hill too. She can have that. I'll stick to the motorbike. Bit of a rest at Kindee. How's that, eh? Good run through there, isn't it? Bit of fun, shady spot. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It was just like
pretty cool old bridge. I think it was built in 1936. They've been doing it up. I'm not sure what they did, but I can see they've coal gouged some rusty spots, painted it. But nah, bit of history. Alright, off to Tom's Creek Road. creek's running. Which is good to see. I guess they want to be, but if you had some rain. More water. Yeah. Yeah, just look at those concrete ramps. You don't know if they're bloody like ice skating rinks or not. But I just stuck to the wheel. Tyre marks where there's no algae, so seemed alright. Cool. This might be the lunch area. Yeah, you won't go too far. Cool. Pretty good spot to have lunch, cool off. Try and get to the little waterfall. Go lay under it. Yeah, be right. Alright. Bikes are happy. In their element. Awesome. Chill here for a bit and then up the top we go. A pretty cool spot. You ready? Now we go across this causeway. There's the rest of the dining set. We had the chair. Wet feet coming up. Yeah, it's fine. You go first? That's alright. Pretty little spot. That's the last of the water crossings, I think. There's actually one natural spring up here we got to cross. It should be pretty crazy, that one. Now it's all uphill. Up 600 metres. So, yeah, up and there we go. It's up in this corner. There's a creek down in there. There we go, it's running pretty good. So that one runs across the road here. She's running. All good, just like normal. Nice and clear. Running out of the hill. Don't know if you can see up in there, but out she comes. So that one's pretty well all spring water. Okay, I nodded. Yeah, mate. Bit of a nod. They definitely Cows have got a room with a view here. Awesome. Perfect day. Alright, keep going. Up and up. Go out here and have a look. Woo! Should be able to get up there. Find out. Yeah. That's pretty well it. Up on the top now. Going to go in the Comboyne, fill these bikes up so I don't have to think about it again, and scoot over to the waterfall. Check that out. It's been a while since I've been there. Fill them up. All right, getting closer. Should be running pretty well. Not charging, but to be running okay, I think. Hasn't rained for a week or so, but we had lots of rain before, so we'll find out. That's one cool waterfall. So now, out to find a place called Blue Knob Lookout. I've been there once before. It's in this Tapin Tops National Park. It's about 30 k's away, so see how we go find it. I think this is the Ellenborough River. There you go. That's it. That's what we've seen charging over the falls. Doesn't look like much, but yeah, it gets going once it's off the edge. Alright. Alright, pull it up for a bit, stretch the legs, check out the cows. Think I'm an alien, I guess. Pretty healthy looking. Bit of concern. Chewing away. Cows munching away. Alright, off to Blue Knob. Alright. Tapin Tops. Oxley Highway's not far away. And Wingham. So we're on Blue Knob Road. We just come out of Eland, so off we go. Not far from the lookout now. 2.5 k's. Yeah, been all good roads, all this sort of like logging trails, I guess are. All easy going. There we go. Remember it being steep, been a couple of years. But it should be alright. Cruise up. Actually, it wasn't as steep as I remembered. We're just about at the top, I think. A couple more corners. Yeah, up there now. Oh, I can see the ocean. There you go. Wow. Cool. Let's have a good look around. so from the top of the mountain, go down via the road. This is Comboyne Road. Probably the quickest way off the hill. A few twisties if you're into that stuff. And yeah, I headed back to Southwest Rocks for me, so that might wrap it up. We'll catch us on the next one.